Good morning, my crafty friends. How is everyone today? I have a new unboxing video for you. This one is, as usual, from Your Creative Studio. Now, this is the May 2021 box. Now, full disclosure, I've already opened this box just because I wasn't sure I was getting the right box. Something seems to be weird with their shipping procedures because I keep getting a notification via email that my package was shipped 2 weeks ago, but based on delays and their shipping people, it will be here at any time. But then I look at the tracking and my package is traveling all over California. And I have no idea why it would be going all over California when this is supposed to be coming from Vancouver, BC. So, that being said, so be it. I've already opened it just to make sure that I've got the right box. So this is the information, and this information will be in the details below the video. So if you need any more information from them or the contact, it'll all be down below. I'll put the links there. So onward, let's check out our crafty fun for, as I said, this is the May 2021 box. So, pretty little tissue paper that we can use in collaging. And then, let's see, there's usually a card. I'm not seeing the card. Oh well, I'll find it later as we go through. So, first thing up, this is a tape dispenser. So there is the double-sided tape on it. This is obviously a Asian version. It says it's photo safe, 6 millimeters, and there's 8 meters in this tubey thing. So that's different. I'm used to the little other tape runners that we get here. So that one is cool. We have some washi. So let's make sure we open up the washi and see what it is. I know I sneaked and I checked out a couple of other videos, and of course I'm not going to be able to get this open very easily. And this is dots. It's not like a whole tape just of, polka dots running down through the whole but it's all individual dots. So you can attach each of these dots. Let me just see. You can attach the dots separately. Look, so you've got all these little sticky dots. Oh, they're really sticky. And you can stick them anywhere. So, yeah, and there's a lot of them. There's a lot of meters there. Alright, I'm not sure if this actually said how many meters were there. 3 meters. So, 60 millimeters wide by 3 meters long, I'm assuming. Okay, so that is some washi stickers. Alright, what do we got here? We have another one of those box of really cool labels. Worm syrup, shake well before using. Dr. A. Blair in Cincinnati, Ohio. I don't think I will ever go see him because I don't like some of the stuff that he puts together. His concoctions are kind of weird. Alright. So, I love these boxes. These are so cool. Trying to figure out how to incorporate those into a junk journal. So, what do we got here? We have Admit One, some with flowers, some with a bunch of little girls sitting on a bench for automobile services. I really don't think they would be taking a car in. There's balcony tickets, DuPont, half. I only invite intellects, wordsmiths, crazy witches, broken people, and lust monsters to my tea party. And that was a quote from Aaron Van Vuren. That's cute. So anyways, some of these are perforated, so you can break them off and incorporate them into your junk journals or your bullet journals. This was a Katanning studio, developing and printing service. So that's cool. They have several in this craft type paper, Looks like pretty much the same. Same labels, just a different paper stock. So we've got those. And then these ones are attached to deceased toe. Ooh, okay. So it's a toe tag. Alright, and then you've got some other pretty scallop type ones. There's a fish. It's from Paris. I'm not sure. Fresh fish, eggs, and produce. Okay. We'll leave that one be. There's our warm syrup, which is on the label of the box. Sometimes it's too late to make things right. And just a few others. A free hand, long live the queen. Those are cute. I love all the labels. I gotta try and figure out how to use more of these in my projects. And I gotta start posting about my projects. So that's another thing that's coming. Alright, so these ones are weekly plan. So it looks like it's a whole pad. Maybe 50 sheets from the looks of it. So, daily planning function note. Of course, this isn't going to come off easy. Oh, it's taped. Alright, so you have a weekly plan. These would be cool in a bullet journal. Mind you, it's usually a little more space than, most of us use for one day, but, if you needed the space, there it is. Or if you had it would just be good for collaging too. So that is that one. Oh, we have more washi tape, and it has a rose on it. So let's assume that it is rose washi tape. I'm sorry, just let me know in the comments if you're enjoying these videos, if you want me to continue with these. Full disclosure, I don't get compensated by the vendor of these boxes. I do this solely for my own purpose, and to share it with you. The videos to share it with you. But I don't get compensated in any way. No discounts or anything, and I was never asked to do this. But these are really pretty. This is a really pretty rose washi tape. I think I'm going to incorporate that into some of my pages that I already have set up for June. That one's pretty. It's all pretty. She always puts together such a wonderful little package. I'm still wondering where the card is. Anyways, okay, so this we have, looks like vellum notes. 3 times 3 and 15, so there's probably 15 of them, and there'd be 3 different designs. So yeah, it's washi tape. I don't think it's sticky. No, looks like it's, sorry, not washi tape, vellum. Alright, so we've got Dr. Hughes, William Hughes, Dr. Watson, and then 500 pounds, coupon book, ice coupon book, for directions. That's cute. You can fill out your own little prescription. Yeah, these aren't sticky labels or anything. They're just vellum, but they're really cool. Especially if you overlay this on something like this, you'll still be able to see other items through it. So they're great for collaging too. And Dr. Griffith. Oh, there's like probably 15 of each of these. There's 3 different designs and there's 15 of each. So that's quite a collection of those. Alright, what else do we have? Oh, sorry for sniffling. These are washi stickers. And this is on the back, it has the picture of all the different flowers. So it looks like it's definitely got a flower theme. 160, 90 millimeter. I think there's 30, there might be 60 pieces. So that might be what that means. Let's open it up. Maybe 30 designs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Yeah, so 30 designs, 60 pieces. So we're going to get 2 of each. And don't forget, people, you can use this backing like it's pretty difficult or pretty tough cardstock. But that alone would be pretty on as a background or as a journal card. So, you know, just keep that. There's ideas for those as well. So we have apples and cherry. Oh, so it's a lot of fruits, it looks like. And cherries, and we have flowers. Look at the rose. But if you look at the back, they have a sheen to them. So these are stickers. You can peel that off. Oh, sorry, trying to make sure I'm in frame here. So a lot of pretty flower ones. Oh, that's a little bit of a fail. So then we have more stickers, more flowers. Definitely a rose theme going on here. But look at the lavender. It's either lavender or grape hyacinths. Someone else tell me. Someone tell me in the comments. What's that look like to you? Grape hyacinths? I think so. And then we have, and I just lost one of my lights. It just dimmed significantly. Okay, get through this before the other lights die. Daffodils. Anyways, very pretty stickers. I'm going to definitely have a use for those. Aw, they're so cute. And some black. Ah, all right. Lots of yummies there. Sorry, my arm was in the way. But yeah, don't forget, you can use these backgrounds, especially when they're so beautifully printed and collaged already. And what do we have? We have some rose stickers. So you can see, sorry, trying to get the glare off. All kinds of rose items. Oh, and even some wording. Red rose. Do not let any unwhole, I'm not sure this even, some talk come out of your mouths, but only what is helpful for building others up. Okay, so there it is there. Do not let any unwholesome, I think that's supposed to be unwholesome talk, come out of you. Red rose stands for love. Yellow rose stands for nobility. Good to know. Anyway, so you've got a sheet of stickers there. And then we've got some black ones. So I'm going to, I don't think that the stickers themselves are black. Could be wrong. Oh no, they're clear, but they're on a black background. Are they stickers? Yeah, they are. Yeah, because you can just peel this. I don't know if you can see. So you can peel that off. Those are really cool. And again, there's another cool background. You could use that on a page somewhere. Cut that out and use it. And then we have some more rose stickers. These ones are pretty. Black and white. Very vintage. And we have a really cute little charm with a rose. So if you're doing a little tag or a charm loop on your bullet journal or on a junk journal, or if you really want, you could make this and use this as a pendant on a necklace. Various options for that one. Really cute. It's like a brassy type. Not copper, but it's definitely like a brass. Alright, looks like we've got some sheets here. So, we have, are they stickers? No, just pages. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and they all have a rose theme. So, you can see the rose theme on each of those. A little typewriter, some background collaging. Really well nicely made. I like these ones. More typewriters. Oh, and you could actually cut this because it's in strips like this. You could cut this and put this on some double-sided tape and use it as a washi. Because see, it's got the polka dots. So you've got that on as one strip, and then the typewriter and some flowering on the other. So you could put this whole thing, like I have a big roll of Sukwaing tape, so it's wide enough I could put this whole thing on there and then cut it off into strips, and then I would have my own little washi tape strips with that. That's another idea. Okay, so there was no card in the box, which is really strange. That's not normal for this. But when it comes to this package, we have lots of goodies, definitely a rose theme going on. I love the stickers. There's always lots of stickers, and it's, you know, very nice to be able to just grab something and stick it on to your project instead of, you know, trying to draw something or find another image somewhere else. But we've got lots of items here to play with. The rose theme is really, really nice. I like it. And some, you know, two-way tape, which comes in handy, and, you know, that would work really well for that washi tape idea I was thinking of with that patterned paper. So there you have it. There is the May 2021 Creative Studios your Creative Studio box, and I will be back with another video with the June one, because the June one has just arrived, so I have that one to do as well. So if you like this video and you want to continue seeing these, maybe it'll inspire you to do something. I'm going to do some videos where I'm actually incorporating some of these things into a junk journal, so I want to make sure that I share that with you as well. But feel free to like this video, subscribe if you want to see more or be notified. You know, you can hit that little bell and be notified when a new video has been released. And I am going to try and continue to do these on a more regular basis so you have more content to keep you busy while you're doing your own crafting. And I've got some technique videos I'm going to start doing as well. So please feel free to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Happy crafting!